Ami, why are you sitting alone? Go and enjoy with your friends.
No, miss, I don't want to play. I'll sit here.
What? Coming, sir.
Ami dear, look at this girl. She got first prize in story writing district level and she resembles to you.
Grandma, in your childhood, did you write stories and poems?
No dear, I like to hear stories but I didn't write anything. At that time, girls of conservative homes were restricted to stay home and has to do all the home chores. Compared with that, you're so lucky.
But Papa and Mum like me to become a doctor, but I'm afraid of tearing human bodies. I like to watch the beauty of nature.
What are you doing? Ami, why didn't you write anything? What happened? Aren't you studying anything?
I can't remember anything. My brain is blank. No multiplication, no division.
I know. Nowadays you're so much careless. I'm going to report your parent.
Abhinav Biraj. Good. Aditi Vinod K. Ami Susan. What is this, Ami? What do you scribble on this paper? Can't you feel shame for yourself? Look at me. Ask your mother to call me today.
Your class teacher called me today. Why don't you inform us that your maths teacher told to call her? Why do you have this strange behavior, Ami? How do you become such a lazy one? You want to study well. Otherwise, how can you fulfill our ambitions?
Sorry, Papa. I'll try next time.
Nitya, your daughter became low in academics. Why don't you look after her properly?
Don't blame me for everything. Nowadays, I notice some changes in her. When she comes home, she spends most of the time with grandmother.
So, today we are going to start new chapter. Plants and animals in water. So, last class we all learned about what do plants and animals habitat in. Ami, what is that?
Teacher, give it back.
Drawing in the classroom and should I give you?
Please. Teacher.
Appreciated by everyone. Her father gave her a precious present.
Grandma, do you think I'm a useless child?
Why do you say these types of things, my dear? God gave you so many talents. You're the best child for me.
Ami, please come with me. I'll show you a surprise. Go away. Don't disturb me.
Alan, please go. She's not well.
No, I won't play with you.
Lazy, absent-minded, I'm going to report your parent.
What will be your future? You want to change yourself.
You careless girl. Very poor performance in exam.
You have broken the dreams of your father.
Don't worry, my child. I am here for you.
Don't worry about your child. She's talented.
But how, teacher? She became irresponsible and careless in her studies.
See, every children has their own talents. We don't want to insist them to be in our track. Know the talent in your child and try to mold it.
I also have the same opinion now.
Ladies, gentlemen, and my dear children, today I am standing before you with great satisfaction. A teacher becomes perfect when she touches the heart of her children. Today, I have such a moment. I find out the hidden talent in one of my children. The most creative student of the year is none other than Amy Susan George. Put your hands together to welcome Amy on the stage. Ami, what do you feel now?
No, miss, no thank you.
See.
It's a great time for me. I can't control my happiness. I am so grateful to my parents, grandmother, teachers, especially Miss Elena for this great achievement. Thank you all.
Here is the rise of a promising youth of future. Understand the talents in your children. Each and everyone in this world is unique. Know the difference. To my dear little ones, please know yourselves and mold yourselves. Thank you.